to my channel, Lucy's World. Today, I'm going to be stuck in a robot. Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? So we have our holes. So if we're going to open these three, and we have one of these, a winter chill, we're going to have the whole series! Hooray! Alright, let's get started. So first I'm going to open this one. Her name, what's her name again? Is Ice Girl. And her little sister, Brr Baby. Or Brr Baby. I think it's Brr Baby. Well, let me check. Yep, it's Brr Baby. Alright. So first I'm going to open this. Okay. So we're going to reveal this, and we got Brr Baby with her little hat accessory. She is tied up. I mean, that's poor l.o.l's. They get tied up in here with their bigger sisters. Okay. So we're going to take this out. And let's see what's inside. It's something soft. No, that's so cool. So she has that hat where you put on, and there's like these, and it's very soft. She has this necklace, I think, because look, it's bigger than an o.m.g doll's neck, so it's probably a necklace. And her cool glasses. Okay, so now we are going to open this box. Oh, it's her shoes. Look, it says size 6.5. And I know how they look like. They're pink. I knew it! I knew they were going to be her shoes. Okay, these are how they look like. Okay, now to take out her clothes. Alright, I think. Yes, this side. Whoa, and she has this cool coat with some of that fluffy bit on the edges. Okay, now we're gonna open this. And she got her pants. This is how her whole outfit looks like. Okay, we have to take her out when we can't. Oh, we can take her thingy out. Boom! Ow! You hit me! Okay, let's put her hat on. That's our Brr Baby. And she has a hot chocolate inside. That is our Brr Baby finished. Now time for drumroll please. Icy Girl. Okay, time to pull this plastic. She looks so pretty. So it can be easier. Just pull the ribbon here or somewhere. But don't pull the sticker. That is my life hack. You can. I can't. can't believe she looks so pretty. Like an o.m.g doll would say, she looks adorbs. Alright, let's pull her. Alright, let's get her stuff out first. Okay, time to pull her out. Oh, that's pulled out. Again, like an o.m.g would say, she looks adorbs. No, and she is called Icy Girl, and this is a winter chill. And we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna show her to you. Okay, see you in a while. Okay, so now we finished Icy Girl, and we cannot take off her hat because then it would be impossible to put it back on. So let's put it to the side. And that is because she has too much hair. And let's put it beside her little sister. Okay, so now we are going to open Madame Queen and Bigwig. Okay, this is all that's inside. Ooh, this is very nice because it has some pink and black on it. What's inside? Whoa, she has a laptop. That's cool. And what else is inside? And some glasses. Her laptop says proud, outrageous, talented, and unexpected. Yeah. And there we got her glasses. And they have some glitter inside. And it makes it blurry to see through. Let's look inside it. It's blurry, isn't it? Do this if you think it's correct. Good. Okay, so now we are going to be opening her shoes. Okay, time to open it. Whoa, her shoes are so cool. It's like Barbie shoes, like, oh, look at my shoes. I'm Barbie. Barbies only have the most incredible shoes. But o.m.g dolls also have the most incredible shoes. Okay, we're gonna we put them back in the box and cover it up. And we're just gonna do that. Okay. Wait, we're going to take her out, do you? Okay, now to open it, and she has a skirt. Oh, it's a shirt. I had no idea. I think, oh, it's a coat. I think. What's in here then? Loads of l.o.l's have this, and it's like these things that l.o.l's wear, so it could be like a fluff thing. So let me show you an example on. Oh, she has too much hair. Alright, I can't do it. Her hair's sticking out and it makes it harder for me. I have to show you when I open that door. Alright, and now we're gonna take out this Madame Queen. She has some plastic string around her. That's how she looks like. And her water bottle. And now now we're going to open Big Wig. Oh my god, I thought she had pink hair, but it's just blonde. Remember my life hack? Just pull that ribbon. She's so pretty. Why is it in here? She has blonde hair, but here she has pink hair. That's weird. Take her out. Okay, so we got her out. And we got her luscious ponytail. Okay, now we're going to get her dressed. And we're going to see you in a minute. Okay, so now we have done it. Laptop. And now we're going to move on with, drumroll please, Camp Cutie and Babe in the Woods. Okay, now we're gonna take off the plastic. Now we're going to take her clothes out and the plastic. This everything out. Let's take out something from the marble thing. Whoa! She has a Walkman. And what's in here? Oh, she has like this beret thing. She has earrings. And she has these glasses. Okay, now we're going to take her shoes and open them. She's size 6.5 and they're pink shoes again. I said they're pink shoes again. No way! These shoes are fluffy. They're like really fluffy. Because here you might find them a bit weird because they're a bit fluffy. Here. And we got her coat. Oh, and she has some dungarees like that. Alright, now this is how she looks like. That is Babe in the Woods. And now we're going to open her big sister, Camp Cutie. And let's pull her out. She's going to have like, brown hair. That's what I thought she would, but then at the end I thought she would have like a black. Oh yeah, forgot the ribbon. Okay, that is Camp Cutie. Sorry, I'm being annoying. Alright, and she has another thing to be opened. Oh my god, she has headphones. And in here, her little bag. Alright, I'll make magic. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Did you see that, guys? Okay, so now we're gonna show her to you. And we'll get her dressed, then you'll see her in a minute. Okay, now we've finished this one. We've finished the whole thing. So, now we have the whole series. So we have the whole series of the OMG and it's newer than l.o.l remix. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and shout out what you want me to do next. Oh, we can't do that. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.